God, it's really so moving to be reminiscing about my dad this way. And I'm really grateful for the opportunity to just spend time reflecting on him. Growing up, I think we had both a really rich relationship, and then, like all fathers and sons, there's a period of a very rocky relationship.
Would you like to share a particular anecdote or story about him?
We would just get frustrated with each other on all kinds of, again, whether it was art or whatever, we just like butt heads, and neither one of us would give in. And at the end of his life, he was in a nursing home, and it was a Yom Kippur, and I would take him. They had services in the nursing home, and I would usually take him down, and we'd daven together. And this one Yom Kippur, he just said, "I'm too tired," and I knew this was, if he's not going to Yom Kippur services, we're coming to the end of his life. And so when I went up after services and we talked, we were able to have a real reconciliation where we talked about all the resentments that went both ways. And it was very, very healing, very, very powerful, very moving. And we really were clear about the stuff that how we disappointed each other, in what stuff, that he wished had been different out of me, and that I wished had been different out of him. And then we both acknowledged that regardless of all of that, we both loved each other and knew that the other loved us, even though we'd had huge arguments. And we were able to come to that conclusion and cry and hug and kiss. And that was sort of the last real conversation that we had. And it was beautifully healing. And I think as a result of that, I never have any of, that's why when you ask about this stuff, that's also healed, that it's not like stuff I need to talk about, to exorcise anymore. I'm really at peace with who he was and how much of him is in me, that I would certainly not be the man I am, the actor I am, the director I am, the Jew that I am, had it not been for all of the influence and gifts he gave me.